Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you where to check this device's specifications. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then select System and scroll down to About section. Open it. And right here, you'll be able to find all the information about your device. You can read it all right here. You can also find the information about your system down below. And if you want to monitor your device's hardware, you can right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to Performance section. And here you'll be able to find the information about each element of your hardware and also check how it's working. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.